In San José del Cabo, life moves with the sun. And to feel its true heartbeat, you start at the Merkado. More than a place to just shop, this is a place where neighbors meet, fresh recipes are exchanged, and the scent of fresh tortillas fills the air. From Don's just caught fish to tropical fruit and colorful chilies, this is Baja's pantry, fresh and full of flavors. For locals and expats alike, the Merkado is kind of part of daily life. And it's a great reminder that Cabo living means sunny mornings and meals made with care. After shopping, there's no rush. Sip a coffee de la olla, enjoy the music, and watch the world go by. San José del Cabo's Merkado isn't just about food. It's the taste of Baja, one fresh bite at a time. I'm Tobias Szymanowicz with Coldwell Banker Riveras, and I'm glad that you checked out the Merkado with me today. If you haven't been here before, you have to come check it out. It's truly beautiful. And if you've been here before, well, then you know what I'm talking about. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.